Let's get our full body strength in this short video for our legs, our calf, and our belly. Let's do this. Come into your low lunge. Press your right foot to the top of your mat, hands on your thighs, and pulsate from low lunge, hips all the way to the front of the room, to half split. Press your heels down, toes up. Come back into low lunge and half split. 3 more. Pause here. Find your low lunge. Press your foot on the ground. Left hand inside of your foot and twist to the side. 3 breaths. Inhale. Slowly release and change sides. Come into your left foot between your hands and press your hip towards the front of the room and open into a half split. Press and open. 2 more. This time, friends, press a foot on the mat, prepare for twist. Right hand inside of your foot, lift your arm up. How are you doing? Let's get a little bit stronger here. We are going to bring some fire to this leg. Release your hands and change sides. Right foot between your hands. Tuck your back toes under and lift into a high lunge. Align shoulders and hips. Hands on your thighs. Prepare for some lunge crunches. Drop the back knee down and lift. 2, 1, and hold. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Prepare to shift your foot towards the middle of your mat. Feet are parallel. Hands on your hips. Forward fold. Hands holding your ankles, holding your shins. Drop your head down as we release the hamstrings here. 1 more breath in. Prepare to release the toes. Press your upper body halfway up on your inhalation and change the sides. Rotate your left foot towards the back of the mat. Lift your back heel up and come into your lunge crunches. 4, 3. 2 more. 1 more. Come into your full lunge, hands on your heart. Find your balance. Engage your core. Keep pressing your knees in. 1 more breath. Release. Hands on your hips. Come back to center. Forward fold. This time, walk your right hand towards your left ankle and lift the left arm up. Change the side. Wipe your fingers towards the opposite side. Hold that ankle with your left hand and reach up with your right arm. 1 more breath in. Slowly release. Come back to center. Inhale, lift your upper body up. Press your toes out to heels in into a squat. Let's pulse our hips up and down. And pulse. Pulse. Bring your hips halfway up. Keep pressing your inner thighs in. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold as low as you can. Lift your heels off the mat. Hands on your heart. And press one heel down. Lift the opposite heel down. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. And hold both heels off the mat. One more challenge here, friends. The last one. Bring your arms in front of you. Keep your heels up. Wrap your right arm underneath the left. Keep your heels as high as you possibly can. And then rotate your body to the right. Center, opposite side. Center, right, center, left, center. One more. Keep lifting those heels. Keep finding that burn on your thighs. This is good for you. One more time. Come to center, release your arms. Drop your heels down. Press your feet parallel, forward fold. Rest here in the forward fold. Drop your head to the earth. One more breath in. One more breath out. On your inhalation, press your feet together. Come to a squat. Hands on your heart. Feel your hips dropping. Feel the strength of your lower body. Namaste. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you tomorrow on the mat.